So the question is, of course, how much will CBAM cost? This is the formula. I apologize, it's a little bit grainy. I took this screenshot from the official Q&A document. There is a part that is not relevant today because that's about carbon taxes paid elsewhere. That's not applicable today. And that it only gives you the number of certificates. It doesn't actually give you the cost. So let's just jump into a slightly easier example of the same formula. Your products have embedded emissions expressed in tons CO2 per ton. And then there is a second variable that we need to discuss, which is the benchmark. And we always describe the benchmark to our customers as it's basically the minimum amount of CO2 embedded in a product realistically if you were to produce that with the cleanest tech available today. Then there's the CBAM factor. So CBAM factor, it's a fixed percentage. It's going to be 97.5% all throughout 2026. So we can fill that out as a variable that's not changing. We have embedded emissions of 2.5. We have a benchmark of, let's say, 1.5. Then we have the CBAM factor, and then we have the ETS price of, in this case, 85. If we do this math and we use the brackets correctly, it works out to be 88.19 euro per metric ton. Now, what is important to understand is that over time, the CBAM factor will go down. In 2034, 35, I don't remember exactly, it will be 0%. That means that between the brackets, you will multiply with 0. If you multiply with 0, that means that everything between the brackets will be 0, meaning that you cannot subtract anything from the 2.5 tons, meaning that you would pay the full 2.5 tons of emissions against the price. That works out to 212.50 euro per metric ton. Keep in mind that EUA price is also still fluctuating. This morning I took this screenshot, but you can see this is developing quite rapidly. To make it tangible, let's quickly do 1 or 2 CN codes just to show you guys. I will search for stainless. Let's take this. This is a stainless steel product with a certain thickness. If we enter that into the equation and we click forecast, you will see that it will work out to about 52 euro per ton starting in 2026. But you can actually step through that, and as you can see, it will go up quite rapidly. And if we say 10,000 tons here, just for the guys that they import lots of volume, we're talking about 2 million euro in 2030. Okay, only €500,000 in 2026. But just keep in mind, this is massive. This is really a lot of money, and a lot of people forget about that.